So we are here at the Broadway's Exotics on Broadway. It's a lot of people. It's full of people. It's right now 1 p.m. We have a few hours to take a look at sunrise. We're also gonna try to see sunrise when they're leaving. So let's take a look in here. See, it's full of people. So we'll see how this year's event the event is getting more popular and popular as years goes by. Let's take a look at sunrise. So Aston Martin's in here, Lamborghini, Porsche. Beautiful car.
This is GT4.
And this is a Porsche here.
Right here.
GT4S, GT4 RS. Beautiful cars. RA, Audi RA, McLaren. This is a beautiful wrap. I like the wrap. Personally, I like the wrap. Another Porsche here. Then we have a Ferrari. Beautiful Ferrari. Another McLaren. Another Porsche in here. We have the Corvettes in here. A few muscle cars, Corvettes, and
She's the executive assistant for this company.
and then we also have in here the Shelby, Ford Mustang Shelby. What a beautiful car.
Yeah, I love that. So who? Yeah, it's like 5 minutes. It's like 5 minutes. And the thing is, like, yeah. I mean,
this beautiful Ferrari here.
How does this go?
This definitely has a lift. It's bad. It's on air suspension. So it goes up and down, which is like great.
This direction or gonna go that way? Well, I mean, unless they go that way,
Please move to the side, everybody. We got a car coming through.
like how much money the Ferrari they can spend.
Some Lamborghinis in here. Beautiful color of this Lamborghini. Then I have another Lamborghini on this side here too. It's a nice wrap. Very beautiful wrap. I love it. There's a lot of people here, so as you can see, this place is full of people. I think it's more people than other editions. I feel like this is so much people. It's really hard to walk by. I mean, it's a nice event, but it's really packed. So still here, as you can see, a lot of people. I think this event is getting more popular as years goes by. It's been, for sure, there's more people than previous years. But there's a lot of interesting cars. I haven't seen a Bugatti yet, and I haven't seen any other. I mean, I've seen a lot of Lamborghinis and Ferraris and Porsche, but that's it. But I haven't seen anything beyond that. We'll keep walking and we'll see if we find some. I have a BMW M8 here. It's very nice. Beautiful, right?